Hey, good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Are you tired? Are you run down? Are you listless? Do you poop out at parties? Well, do you? Well, the answer to all your problems is in this little pot. And I want to introduce you to a collaboration that I am starting, and I'm trying to invite all of you YouTubers out there in YouTube land. Now, if you have an Instant Pot and you have a YouTube channel, big or small, I am taking you to join on in on this collaboration with Teasers Pleasers here. And we're gonna sit there and do an Instant Pot Weeknight Warriors. Now, when you're doing one of your videos for the take here, make sure you have it in hashtags Instant Pot Weeknight Warriors and the name of your recipe. Now, I hope to sit there and see each and one of yous joining in on this collaboration, because I'm taking you to join. And I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video and for joining in on this collaboration. But most of all, happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now. You hear?